In our previous class, we have discussed that the operation on sets. Okay, union of sets, intersection of set. Good morning. Union of sets, intersections of sets. Okay, complement of a set, difference of a set, A minus B, B minus A. How to find out the complement of a set. Okay, everything we have discussed. Okay, so still some of the students are having some confusion in representing the sets. Okay, set builder form and roster form, everything. Okay, right. Don't worry about that. You please work out more problems. If you work out more and more problems, your doubt always will be clear. Now it is okay. I hope that now you are audible, and now it is audible. Okay. So in our previous class, we have discussed that operation on sets. Okay, that is union of sets, intersection of sets, okay, difference of sets, okay, complement of a set, everything we have discussed in our previous class. Okay, now also we are going to revise that, and we are going to discuss some problems in that operation on sets. Okay, this is the last topic in our operation on sets. Okay, last topic, operation on sets in our first chapter. Okay, right. So after discussing, after finishing these examples, we'll go for some miscellaneous problems and exercise problems. Miscellaneous problems. Okay, right. After this chapter will be over. Okay, and next we'll go to that next chapter. Is it okay? Right. So now we are going to discuss some problems in operation on matrices, sets. Operation on sets. A union B, A intersection B, A difference B, A minus B, B minus A. Okay. And complement. What is complement? We just revise that and we'll discuss some problems in that. We'll discuss exercise problems also. Some of the exercise problems I'm doing, remaining exercise problems, you please do that. Today we will discuss, we will send, today onwards, we will send that some assignment questions also. Okay, so you please work out the assignment questions also. Okay, right. So this is operation on sets. Okay, what is A union B? Union of two sets. What is A union B? Set of all X. Okay, where X belongs to A or X belongs to B. Where elements either belongs to A or A belongs to B. Okay, that is A union B. Okay, union of two sets. What is intersection of two sets? Intersection of two sets. Okay, so that is set of all X. X belongs to A and X belongs to B. Look at that. Union means your elements may be in A or maybe in B or in both. Okay, but look at that. Your A intersection B means, okay, your A belongs to A, X belongs to A and X belongs to B both. Two. Okay, okay. Now we are going to discuss about some problems on operation on sets. In previous class, we have discussed only few problems. Okay, right? Right. What is the A minus B? A minus B, set of all X. Okay, X belongs to A and X not in B. So X not in B. X belongs to A and X not belongs to B. Okay, right. So the next one is B minus A. What is B minus A? Set of all X. X belongs to B and X not in B. Okay, right. Another important point. Okay, and if A intersection B is empty, there is no common elements. For A and B, there is no common elements, means A and B are disjoint. A and B are called as disjoint sets. Okay, and the last one, A complement. What is A complement? Set of all X. Okay, this X belongs to U. U means universal set. Okay, this is universal set. Okay, and okay, this X not in A. A complement means X belongs to U and X not in A. That means this is U minus A. Okay, your A complement is equal to U minus A. This is your A complement. Okay, right. Now we'll discuss some problems. Okay, after finishing the problems, we'll go for miscellaneous exercise. Okay, before that, now we are going to discuss about operation on set exercise problems. Okay, right. So now look at the first problem. Let A is equal to AB. Okay, and B is equal to ABC. B is equal to ABC. Right. Is A is a subset of B? That is a question. Is A is subset of B? That is a question. What is A union B? This is a question. Okay. Look at the question. A is a set A comma B. B is a set A B C. Is A is a subset of B? That is a question. Look at that. So A comma B is a subset of A B C. It is true or not? This is the question. This is true or not? What is the subset condition? What is the subset condition? Okay. So if this is a subset of this means this is a subset of this means what is the meaning for how to prove that? What is the definition of subset? If all the elements or every element of this set is an element of this set. One A is here, A is here. B is here, B is also here. What is the definition of subset? Every element of this set is an element of this set. Yeah, it is true. Every element AB, it is also an element of AB here. Additionally, C is there, no problem. Okay, the definition is every element of this A is an element of this B. Is it okay? Which implies your A is a subset of that means this is a subset of this, A is a subset of B. It is true. Is A is a subset of B? Yes, it is true. Is it okay? Right. Now come to that. What is A union B? So your A union B is equal to ABC. Okay. So take these elements and these elements and write eliminate the intersecting common elements. If we have to write here also A is there, here also A is there, no need to write 2 times A. Write only 1 time. Okay. So therefore your A union B is equal to ABC. The important point, important notice. What is an ABC? This is nothing but B. Your ABC is nothing but B. That means your A union B is equal to B. Are you okay? Your A union B is B. This is an important note. Okay. Why, sir? This is always true. It is not always true. Okay. This is not always true, but sometimes true. What is that? If A is a subset of B, then this is always true. That means note number 1. Okay, if A is a subset of B, then your A union B is always B. Always B. Look at the note. A is a subset of B, then what is the union? Your union is the superset. This is called as superset. This is called as subset. A is a subset of B. B is a superset of A. I repeat that. Okay, if A is a subset of B, then what is your A union B? It is B, superset. That means A is a subset of B, then the union is always the superset B. Okay, right. This is an important note, right? So now come to the next problem. So if A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Okay, B is equal to, okay, and 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, C is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, D is equal to 5, 10, 15. D is equal to 5, 10, 15. Okay, the question is, look at the question, find A union B. Find A union B, B union C union B. Okay, B intersection B, C intersection D. Okay, C intersection B intersection A. Okay, and A minus B, B minus C. Okay, and C minus D. We have to find everything. Okay, that means only few sets are given. Look at that, A, B, C, D given. We have to find everything. A union B. Okay, and this B union C union D, everything. What is the A union B? First of all, come to that. The question. What is my A union B? How to find out that A union B? Write all the elements of A and B. That is A union B. Write all the elements of A and write all the elements of B. That means combine together A and B, take all the elements. Okay, right? So look at that. Where A, B, C, D is given. Okay, the question is find A union B, B union C union D, B intersection D, C intersection D, C intersection D intersection A minus B, B minus C, C minus D. Okay, these are very simple one. A union B, A intersection D, it is a set, is a very simple topic. So first of all, find A union B. What is A union B? Take all the elements in A and B. Okay, that means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. All the elements of A. And write all the elements of B. Okay, right. What are the elements? 3, 6. 6 already written. Okay, no need to repeat that. Write only once. Okay, 6 already taken. No need to write. 9. Okay, 12 already taken. No need to write that. 15. This is my A union B. Okay, right. Now come to that B union C union D. Okay, first of all, find C union D. First, find this bracket. C union D. What is my C union D? That means taking union of these two. What is the union of these two? 4, 8, 12, 16. Write all the elements of C and write all the elements of D also. That is A union D. 5, 10, 15. Okay, if any elements are repeated, okay, write only once. No need to repeat that again. Repeat the same element again. So here nothing is repeated. You can take it as it is 5, 10, 15. This is C union D. But we need B union C union D. How to find out B union C union D? This is B. This is C union D. Write all the elements of B first. This is union. Union means take all the elements of B first. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I am writing all the elements of B. Okay, union. Union means write all the elements of the C union D. I am taking the union of this set and this set. This is B. This C union D means this set. Taking the union of these two. That means write all the elements of this set also. So repeated elements write only once. Okay. Take 4. 4 is not here. Take 4. 8 is not here. Take 8. 12 is there. No need to write. 16. 16 is not here. Take it. Okay. 5. 5 is not here. Take it. Okay. 10. 10 is not here. Take it. 15. 15 is there. No need to write. This is your B union C union D. Is it okay? Right. Now come to that B intersection D. Next one. This is B. This is D. What is the intersection? Intersection means you write only common elements. What are the common elements of B and D? B and D. Common elements. 3 is here, 3 is not here. 6 is not here. 9 is not here. 12 is not here. 15 is there. So therefore, common elements for B and D. Common elements that should be both lie in B and lie in D. Okay, so 15 only lying in B and lying in D. That is common element. B intersection D is 15 only. Union is, okay, the element may be in this first set or the second set. That means write all the elements in C, all the elements in D. Okay, if any element is repeated means we write only once. No need to write repeatedly. Okay, that's all. But intersection means write only the common elements. Come to that C intersection D. What are the elements of common elements of C and D? Common elements. 4 is here, 4 is not here, 8 is there, 12 is here but not here, 16 is here, not here. So therefore this is empty. Look at that, there is no common element for C and D. Please try to understand, there is no common element for C and D. Okay, so therefore it is empty set. Now, just now we have discussed, if two sets intersection is empty, then these two sets are called as disjoint sets. Okay, so therefore which implies C and D are disjoint. Are you okay? These two are disjoint sets, C and D. Now come to that, C intersection B intersection A. First of all, find B intersection A. C intersection B intersection A. First find this bracket. B intersection A. Okay, what is B intersection A or A intersection B? Both are same. Common elements of these two, A and D. What are the common elements? 2 here, 2 not here, 4 not here, 6 is there. 6 is the common element for A and B. 8 no, 10 no, 12 is the common element in both the elements, both the sets. Okay, that's all. So therefore B intersection A is 6, 12. Only 2 elements. Okay, now come to that C intersection B intersection A. Now look at that, common elements for this B intersection A and this C. Common elements for intersection of C and this B intersection A. This is our B intersection A. This is our C. Okay, common elements for this set and this set. Look at that, 4 is here, 4 is not here. 8 is here, 8 is not here. 12 is here. Here also 12 is there. Okay, so therefore only one element is common, that is 12. Okay, so therefore this is called a singleton set. If any set having no elements means that is an empty set. If a set having only one element, that is called as singleton set. This is the singleton set. C intersection B intersection A. Now come to that A minus B and B minus C. Come to that A minus B and B minus C, C minus D. I am writing here. This is a question. This is a question. I am writing A minus B. What is my A minus B? How to, I have already discussed, I have already told that how to find out the A minus B. Write all the elements of this first set, A. What are the elements in A? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Write all the elements. Now, remove the elements. These elements are in B. Remove that. 2 belongs to B? No. 4 belongs to B? No. 6 belongs to B? Yes. Remove that. 8 is belongs to B? No. 10? No. 12? Yes. Remove that. 14? No. So therefore you remove that. This is your 2, 4, 8, 10, 14. This is your A minus B. Are you okay about that A minus B? I repeat that A minus B. A minus B means you write all the elements in this first set. Write all the elements of first set. And check that these elements belongs to this second set, B. If these elements belongs to that B, second set, then they remove that elements. Okay, that means these elements belongs to A and not belongs to B. That is the definition of A minus B. Okay, right now come to that B minus C. What is my B minus C? My B minus C is equal to, write all the elements of B, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, right. Remove that. Those elements belongs to C. Remove that. 3 is here. No, 3 is not belongs to C. 6 is not belongs to C. 9 is not belongs to C. 12 is belongs to C. Remove that. 50, no. So therefore the answer is 3, 6, 9, 15. This is B minus C. Okay, what is my C minus D? The next question is C minus D. What is my C minus D? Write all the elements of C, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, now remove the elements, those elements belongs to D. 4 is not here, 8 is not here, 12 is not here, 16 is not in your D. So therefore this is the answer. C minus D is 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, so we have discussed everything in our previous class also, but we are discussing some more problems, exercise problems. We are doing some exercise problems. Okay, are you okay about that? This A minus B, A minus B means write all the elements of this first set, and those elements in this elements, those are present in your second set, you remove that elements. This 6 is present in B, 12 is present in B, so therefore remove that elements. The remaining is your answer for A minus B. Similarly, here take all the elements in the first set B and check that these elements belongs to B, C or not. Only 12 is belongs to C, remove that. Remaining is your answer. Here there is no element, these elements are not belongs to your D. Therefore, the entire set is C minus D is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay, this is nothing but C again. C minus D is again it is C. Okay. Are you okay? Please take this. We'll go for the next problem. The next problem, third one is if A is equal to set of all x, x is a natural number. Okay, B, x is an even natural number. Even natural number. Okay, C, set of all x is an odd natural number. Okay, D, x is an prime number. Then find, the question is find A union B, B intersection C, B union C intersection D. Okay, A minus B, C minus D. We have to find out everything. Okay, please look at that. So some students are asking doubt, interestingly doing some problem. Okay, in our exercise. Okay, some students. Okay, and some students asking doubts. Okay, some students are asking that exercise problems also. Okay, but I don't know the other students they are doing or not. So students, you ask your doubts in our last 10 minutes. Okay. Sir, hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir, hello.
Hello, sir.
Sir, video is not clear or not clear? Are you able to read this natural number, excision natural number, excision even natural number?
சார் கொஞ்சம் blur-ஆ இருக்கு சார் லைட்டா. அது கீழ clean-ஆ இருக்கு.
Okay.
மேல
This
கொஞ்சம்.
is.
This is clear, sir. மேல ஏதோ லைட் யாரு மாதிரி இருக்கு.
ஓ, ரொம்ப நேரமா அப்படியே தான் இருக்கா?
இல்ல சார், இப்பதான் சார் அப்படி இருக்கு.
Hello, sir.
ஓகே சார். இப்போ ஓகே சார்.
இது ரீடபிளா இருக்கா சார்?
இப்போ கரெக்டா இருக்கு சார். ஓகே சார்.
ஃபுல் போர்டுமே ரீடபிளா இருக்கு தானே?
ஃபுல் போர்டு ரீடபிளா இருக்கு சார்.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, students, I hope that now the video is okay for you. You can easily read the question. Okay, you please come to that question. So this is our next question. What is the question? If A is equal to set of all x, x is a natural number. B is set of all x, x is an even natural number. C is x is an odd natural number, set of all x. Set of all x, x is a prime number. Okay. Find A union B, B intersection C, B union C intersection D, A minus B, C minus D, everything. Okay, right. This is the question. One student asked the question. Very good question, sir. This is given in set builder form. What about the answer? We have to write the answer in roster form or set builder form. You have to write the answer in set builder form. If these are given in set builder form, write the answer is also in set builder form. If the question is given in roster form, then write the answer in roster form. Very good question. Okay, right. So now look at that. First of all, write the elements of this A. First of all, roster form. Then only we can easily find out A union B, B intersection C, everything. Okay, what is the A set of all x? X is a natural number. Natural number means it starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and etc. It is an infinite set. There is no end. Okay, come to that B. What about my B? B is x is an even natural number. Even natural number means 2, 4, 6, 8, and etc. Okay, and C, what is my C? My C is odd natural number. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Okay, what is my D? D means D is a prime number. What are the prime numbers? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7, 11, 13, and etc. Here there is no order. These are the prime numbers. Okay, right. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Now come to the question. What is my first question? A union B. Okay, what is my A union B? X is an, what is A? Actually, what is A? X is a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. B, X is an even natural numbers. Take the union. Union means, first of all, write all the elements of A and then write all the elements of B. Add, include. Okay. And if any element is repeated means, so the repeated elements write only once. No need to the one element writing 2 times. 1, 1, 2, 2. No need to write that. Okay. Right now, look at that. 1 is here. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am writing my A. A is natural number. What about your B? B is 2 is here also and here also. It is already there. 3, 4 is here also and here also. 4 is already there. 6 is already there. 8 is already there. Okay, so therefore, all the elements in B presented in A. Okay, so therefore, your A union B is A because we know the one note, just now we discussed, if A is a subset of B, then what is my A union B? That is B, superset. Okay, here B is a subset of E. Here B is a subset of A, then my A union B is equal to A only. Okay, that means A union B is only A, which implies my A union B is equal to A alone. What is my A? A is set of all x. X is a natural number. What is my A union B? My A union B, again I am getting a natural number, set of all natural numbers. That is my A union B. That is the first question. Okay, come to the second question. B intersection C. Intersection means common elements. What are the common elements of B and C? Look at that. B is a multiples of 2. Okay, that is 2, 4, 6, 8. Here, this is an odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7. What is the intersection? Intersection means common elements. 2 is here, but 2 is not here. 4 is here, but 4 is not here. 6 is here, not here. 1 is here, 1 is not here. Okay, so therefore the intersection is empty. Okay, so therefore this set is only empty set. Okay, so therefore that means how to write this is in set builder form. How to write this is in set builder form. Okay, set builder form is, okay, so your set of all x. X is, this is set even numbers. X is an even number. Okay, but here x is an odd number. Okay, so both x is even and odd. X is even and x is odd. Okay, and x belongs to n. So this is not at all possible. X is even and odd. It is not at all possible for a natural number. Okay, so therefore definitely it should be an empty set. But this is a set builder form. Okay, are you okay about this B intersection C? Come to this B union C intersection D. First of all, find this C intersection D. What is my C intersection D? What is my C intersection D? Look at that. 1 is here, 1 is not here. Okay, 3 is here, 3 is okay, 5 here, 7 here. Okay, so then that means look at that. In our prime numbers, only this is even. In our prime numbers, 2 is the only prime number, even prime number. Okay, 2 is the only even prime number. All other things are odd prime numbers. Okay, then what are the elements we are getting? 3. This 3 belongs to this prime number and this multiples of that means odd number. Okay, 5 belongs to both. 7 belongs to both. 11 belongs to both the sets because intersection. Intersection means common for these two sets. 13 is common for everything. But this will not follow some order. Okay, this what is the meaning? How to write the set builder form? Means set of all x. Okay, x is an odd prime number. Are you okay? Set of all x. X is an odd prime number because this is an even number. This even number is a prime number. But here it is a prime number, but to these two not in here. Okay, so therefore we exclude 2 and take all the prime numbers. Okay, that is the C intersection D because all the prime numbers excluding 2 is an odd number. Here also odd numbers are there. Okay, so the intersection of these two odd number and prime number is this is 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. This is an excision odd prime number. You exclude the even prime number. Now come to the question B union C intersection D. My question is B union C intersection D. Okay. So therefore B union C intersection D is equal to, right? Take the union of this B and union of this C intersection D. What is union? Union means 2, 4, 6, 8, everything. Okay, comma. And additionally add this. C intersection D. What is C intersection D? What is C intersection D? 3, 5, 7. Okay, 11, 13, etc. Everything. Okay, how to write it in set builder form, sir? This is union. Union means take all the elements of B and take all the elements of C intersection D. Take both. Okay, this is an infinite set. This is going in some order. Okay, how to write it in set builder form? Okay, so set builder form is, look at that. This set of all x is even. Okay, and x is an odd prime number. X is even, all including all the elements. 2, 4, 6, 8, everything x is even. And x is odd prime number. Odd prime number. Okay, and x belongs to n. X is a natural number. That is also we have to take that because everything is defining in our natural number only. Okay, so therefore x is even, x is odd prime number, and x belongs to natural number. So therefore this is our roster form of the set, and this is our set builder form of the given set B union C intersection D. I repeat that. C intersection D means intersection of these two common elements. This 1 is not common, 3 is common, 5 is common, 7 is common, 11 is common, 13 is common. Okay, all these are prime numbers. Odd numbers as well as prime numbers. Okay, so therefore this is set of all x. X is an odd prime number. X is also belongs to natural number. Okay, right. Now I am going to take that union of this B and C intersection D. Take all the elements of B and all the elements of C intersection D. But we have to write it in roster form. What is roster form? This set represents x is even natural number. Okay, this set represents x is an odd prime number and x belongs to n. Is it okay? So this entire set represents this B union C intersection D. Is it okay? Right. Now come to that, the next question, A minus B, C minus D. The question is A minus B. What is A minus B? I have already told that how to write that A minus B. How to write your A minus B? First of all, take all the elements of A. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Because A is a set of all natural numbers. All natural numbers. Okay, this is. What is my B? B is a set of all even numbers. Even natural numbers. That means eliminate this. 2 is belongs to this B, eliminate this. 4 is belongs to this B, eliminate. Eliminate. Okay, similarly eliminate. That means you eliminate all even numbers. Then what we are getting? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, etc. Are you okay? Are you clear about that? So A minus B means first write all the elements of the first set A. And then, so check that these elements belongs to the second set or not. Check that. 1 is not in B, but 2 is in B. Okay, remove 2. 4 is in B, remove 2. 6 is in B, remove. 8 is in B, remove. That means all the even numbers presented in our B. Remove all the even numbers. Remaining we are getting odd numbers. Okay, so therefore, this is where 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is nothing but C. How to write your C in set builder form? Set of all X. X is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Okay, right. Now come to that C minus D. What is my C minus D? The last one. C minus D. First of all, write all the elements in our C. What is C? Set of all odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. Okay, now remove that. 1 is not in your D. You please check that. 1 is not in your D. Okay, but 3 is in your D. Okay, 5 is in your D. 7 is in your D. 11 in your D. 13 in your D. Okay, but this 15, 17 in your D. Okay, 19 in your D. Okay, you have to remove this. Because these are prime numbers. What is this meaning of C minus D? The set of all elements belongs to C and not belongs to D. But these elements are belongs to D. Remove those elements belong to those elements present in C and present in D. Remove that. Okay, so therefore the remaining are 1 and 9. Okay, and 15. 19 also cancel. Again, you'll get 21, 25, 27, like that. How to write it in set builder form? These are the elements. Roster form. This is your C minus D. Okay, I repeat that C minus D. How to write my C minus D? C minus D means first of all write all the elements of C. This is going up to this infinite. Okay, so write all the elements in C and verify that these elements belongs to D or not. If it is belongs to D, remove this element from this set. 1 is not belongs to in your D. 3 is belongs to in your D, remove that. 5 is belongs to D, remove that. 7 is belongs to D, remove. 9 is not belongs to D, check that. D is already given problem. Check that. 9 not in your D. Okay, don't remove. 11 is in your D, remove. Okay, similarly 13, 17, 19. Okay, take the remaining element. This is a roster form. How to write this set in set builder form? That is a question. How to write? Any idea? So set of all X. Look at that. Here there is no prime number. But everything is an odd number. Look at that. 1 is odd, 9 odd, 15, 21, 25, 27. Everything is an odd number. That means X is odd and X is not a prime. X is not a prime. Here look at that. X is odd. Prime number also. Odd and the prime. Okay, but here X is odd, but X is not a prime. Okay, and X belongs to N, natural number. Is it okay? X is R. Yeah, these are odd numbers. And not a prime. Okay, because your 11 is also odd. Okay, x is odd means you have to include 11. But look at this condition. Additionally, I am adding one more condition. X is not a prime number. 11 is not a prime. 11 is a prime number. Don't add. 15. 15 is an odd number as well as not a prime number. I am adding this. 21 is a prime number and not a odd number and not a prime number. Add in this set. 25 is an odd number and not a prime number. Add in this set. Okay, so therefore this set roster form and the set builder form is set of all x is odd and x is not a prime number and x belongs to n. Okay, so therefore this is our answer, right? Please take this. Next we will discuss about the complement of sets. How to find out the complement. Okay, the question is fourth one. Write the complement of the following where u is equal to where u is set of all natural numbers. First one, a set of all x. X is a positive multiple of 3. X is a positive multiple of 3. What is the complement of this one? Please try to understand the C minus D, A minus D, everything. Okay. Look at the next problem. Write the complement of the following where U means universal set. Okay, your universal set means we have to find out the complement means we need universal set. You consider the universal set as is a set of all natural numbers. Your U is universal set is set of all natural numbers. And A is given. Now we are going to find out the A complement. What is my A complement? First of all, write what is A. Write in set builder form. Write in set builder form. X is a positive multiple of 3. Positive multiple of 3 means 3. Okay, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, okay, etc. This is A, given A. Now, I am going to write that A complement. This is my complement. What is A complement definition? The set of all x belongs to U means universal set, and x not belongs to A. That is your A complement. That means write the elements, okay, write the elements in U and not in A. That means what is my U actually? My U is, I am writing my U. U means universal set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. My A complement means that is U minus A. Okay, what is U minus A? You take 1. 1 is not here. 2 is not here. 2 is here in U but not in A. Okay, 3 is in U. Okay, and as well as in A. Remove that. The common element should be removed. And take the remaining elements in your U, first set. Okay, 3 is common. That means both the elements, 3 belongs to U and 3 belongs to A. Remove that and take 4. Okay, 5. Okay, and remove that 6, 7, 8, 9 removed, 10, etc. This is my A complement. How to write this in set builder form? Are you okay about that? A is set of all x is a positive multiple of 3. A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 like that. U is equal to set of all natural numbers. U means universal set. Okay, your universal set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. What is my A dash? Just now we have discussed in the beginning of the class. My A dash is equal to U minus A. U means universal set minus A. Okay, U minus A. U minus A means how to find out the U minus A? Write all the elements of U and remove those elements of U not belongs to A. Okay, 3 belongs to here and here. Remove this. 6 belongs to U and A. Remove this 6. 9 belongs to U and A. Remove this. And write the remaining elements 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 10, 11, like that. This is my A complement. Right, this is in set builder form. How to write this? Sorry, this is in roster form. How to write in set builder form? We have to write this in set builder form. How to write it? Any idea? A dash is equal to set of all x. Okay, look at that. Here, this is not an order. Only the multiples of three terms are missing. Here, this is set of all natural numbers, but which is missing? Multiples of 3. 3 missing, 6, 9, everything is missing. That means x is not. I'm sorry. X is not a multiple of 3 and x belongs to n. Are you okay? X is not a multiple of 3, x belongs to n. Look at that. We can easily conclude that x is a positive multiple of 3. Here, x is not a positive multiple of 3. That's all. That is your complement. Your A is set of all x. X is a positive multiple of 3. Multiples of 3. And x is a natural number. Here, x is not a multiple of 3. That is my complement A. Okay. Right. Now look at the second one. The second one is second problem, set of all A is equal to set of all x greater than or equal to 7. This is very simple. Okay, your A dash is equal to set of all x less than 7. Okay, this means greater than 7 means what is the meaning? 7, 8, 9 and etc. What is the complement? Okay, so the complement is U minus A. That means, okay, those elements in U and not in A. Those elements in U and not in A. Okay, so this is x less than 7. This is, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements are in U and not in A. That is U minus A. That is my A complement. Okay, this is set builder form. This is roster form. Okay, so this is a very simple one. Okay, now let us come to the next question. Fifth one. If U is equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. 9. Okay, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay, verify. The question is verify. First one, A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. 2. A intersection B the whole complement is equal to A complement union B complement. Okay. These two results we are going to verify that. We'll finish with this problem. Okay. And we will send the assignments through your WhatsApp. Okay. So some of our seekers team will send the questions, assignment questions to you, all of you. Okay, every day. For maths, definitely you will get the questions or alternate days. That means today we are having class means today you will get the assignment questions. Okay, minimum 10 to 15 questions. You please answer all the questions. Okay, right. I have already told that some of the students are doing sincerely and asking doubts. Okay, so I don't know about other students. Other students also please work out that exercise problems. Okay, many of the students are not in serious. Please do it seriously. Okay. Right. Now come to that first problem solution. First one, what we have to prove that A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. What is your A union B? Take that A union B. A union B means take all the elements in A and B. All the elements in A and B. Okay. So 2, okay, 3, 4, 6. So 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at that. Here 2, 3 is there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so therefore this is given. Right. Now come to that A union B the whole complement. What is A union B the whole complement? The meaning is the elements in U and not in A union B. That is the meaning. That is U minus A union B. You please try to understand. Okay, U minus means first of all write all the elements of U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now look at that. 2 is, it is in your A union B, remove that. 3, yeah, 3, remove that. 4, remove that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove everything. These 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 common elements. Remove the common elements. Then what is my A union B? Sorry. A union B the whole complement. I have only 2 elements, 1 and 9. This is my A union B whole complement. Okay, A union B whole complement. Okay, this is my left hand side. Okay, come to the right hand side. What is my right hand side? Take A complement. What is my A complement? My A complement means U minus A. What is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and remove those elements present in A, remove that. 2 present in A, look at that. 4 present in A, remove that. 6 present in A, 8 present in A. So therefore, your A complement is 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. That means the element belongs to U and not belongs to A. That is A minus B. That is U minus A. Okay. What is my B complement? I am going to find out the right hand side. First of all, find A complement and B complement. What is my B complement? B complement means what is the meaning? U minus B. What is U? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is given. This U is given. Given in the problem. I am taking the given one. Okay, now remove those elements in this set belongs to B. 2, 1 is belongs to B? No. 2 is belongs to B? Yes. Remove that. 3 belongs to? Yes. 4 no. 5 belongs to B. 7 belongs to B. Remove that. Okay, now write the remaining elements. That is your B complement. So therefore your B complement is equal to, this is B complement is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. What is the intersection? A complement, intersection, B complement. Common elements. 1 is common, 1 is common. 1 belongs to both the sets. 3 belongs to here, 3 is not here. 5 belongs to here, 5 not belongs to here. 7, no. Okay. 9, yes. Okay. So 1 and 9 belongs to both the sets. Right. So therefore 1 and 9 belongs to both the sets. Okay. So therefore, so this 1 and 9 belongs to both the sets. A intersection B A complement intersection B complement 1, 9. What is your A union B the whole complement? This is also 1, 9. Okay, so therefore, which implies A union B the whole complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Please take that. This is our first problem. Similarly, we have to prove the second problem. Okay, how to prove the second one? Take the intersection first. A intersection B. Your A intersection B is only 2. Okay, and take a complement. Take a complement means, what is the meaning? The elements in universal set. U means universal set. These two are the subsets of this U. Okay, the elements in universal set and the element not belongs to your A intersection B. This set. This is A intersection B, the whole complement. And similarly, first find the right hand side, A complement union B complement. Okay, this and this give the same set, representing the same set, equal sets. We have to prove the second one. Take it the second one as a homework problem. Okay, first one I repeat the same. First of all, find A union B and take a complement. Okay, and this is our complement. How to find out the complement? Please try to understand the complement. Universal set minus of this set. This is I am writing universal set elements and removing those elements belongs to this set. Okay, remaining is my answer. Similarly, find A dash, B dash, take the intersection. Okay, so this A union B, the whole complement, and A intersection, B intersection, A complement intersection, B complement also same. Both are giving the same sets. Similarly, you have to prove that second result. Second result is a homework for you. Okay, so today onwards we will give some assignment questions. Okay, minimum 10 questions that will be given by our CCAS team, sent by some PDF question, PDF file. Okay, and you please try to complete the questions every day. Okay, if you didn't get that assignment questions, you please send a message. I will arrange for that. Possibly evening after 5 you will get it. Okay. If you are not getting the assignment questions, please send a message. I will arrange for that, or I will send the questions. You please work out the questions. Okay, and try to complete the questions. Also try to complete that exercise problems. So somebody are having the books. Somebody are not having the books. If you don't have a book, means you please download from the NCERT website for each and every chapter. Okay, download from the website and see the questions and try to answer the questions. Okay, thank you all. Thank you so much.